Hey guys, so today I'm having this 1984 C4 Corvette, and what we are about to do is some detailing and cosmetic work. Paint has seen better days. There are some stains on the hood, some stains on the roof, some swirls all over the paint. So the first thing I did was to wash the car, prepare it for the paint, remove the old emblems, remove the glue residue from the emblems. I just took some alcohol, pour it on a cloth and rub it against the glue, and it came right off. So the next thing I'm going to do is use two-stage polish and then add some coat to the paint. So let's check it out. Fortunately, we can use the rear spoiler of the BX and use it as a bench. And we can see we have here our polishing machine. We have our 3D, 2 steps polish, one for cutting in compound, and the second one is finer. And the last thing we have is Manzerna Power Lock Ultimate Protection to protect our results. And of course, alcohol, so we can clean the surface before sticking in the new emblem. Right now I'm letting the hood to cool down from the driving, and I wanted to start with the roof. The roof have some stains on it, and you can see already the swirls on the paint. So let's start work and see what's going on. So the first thing I did was apply 3D coating compound to a heavy cut polishing pad. I applied the compound to the paint and spread it to cover the surface I want to work on. We want to work on small surfaces and not big ones, so we can allow uniform distribution of the material. After the compound is on the paint, I'm moving the polisher in a crisscross pattern and putting on a firm pressure. Every time I complete a movement forward, backward, or right to left, I want the new area that I cover to partially overlap with the area that I just covered. As you can see, I divided the car roof into 2 sections. After I finished with the first section, I moved on to the next. After I finished this section, I cleaned the compound residue with a clean microfiber towel and moved over to the rest of the car. As for this Corvette, the hood represents half of the car body, so it was left for the end. As I finished this stage, I cleaned the polishing pad with compressed air so I can use it again. I repeated the same process in the second step, with the lighter finishing polish and a fine cut pad. After wiping off the material, the paint already looks much better and shiny. But that's not all. I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video, but there's another step that I decided to do. And it is a final one with a light material that removes swirls and scratches, so I can get the best finishing results. Here you can see me working with this material on the hood. Now look at that! The paint looks shiny and better than ever. But we didn't finish yet. Now we want to apply our protection so we can preserve those results. I apply a small amount of the protection on the pad and then spread it evenly on the paint. Then I let it dry for about half an hour. After half an hour, we can take a clean microfiber buffing towel and clean the residue with light pressure. You can see I already cleaned the area and put new emblems on the way. And now the Corvette look perfect and new. It's like we are not talking about a 40 years old car. Now all that left for me is to remove the T-top and drive, and for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.